Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back again to my channel, and my name is Javi. In this video I actually brought my singing bowl, and what I wanted to do actually was just to make this video for us to just drop into this present moment, just to be here, be clear in our awareness, and actually experience your true self and true nature. So if you would love to just relax, kind of just let your body, your muscles, your posture just align itself to what feels most intuitive, and just allow yourself to be right now. If you had something going on, just let it be. You can go back to it later if you want. Like Muji always says, it will still be there. Trust us. It will still be there. But for now, just bring your attention to be here right now, to be clear. Just relax. Let your breath just kinda be there. Eventually you will start to observe your breathing pattern, and you will come to be in your space. So I'm gonna just play the sound bowl real quick and just observe, just listen. There's nothing to do. We're not waiting for anything to happen. We just want to be here right now. Love you guys. Just remember, guys, this is your home. This is our true self. In this space, you are magical. In this space, you shine your light and your love to everybody. We need this most right now. We need this so that everybody can align to their peace. We are reflections of each other. We are mirrors. We are the same. And when we are this vibration, we give an opportunity and hold space for others to be there as well. Let this be how you carry yourself for the rest of the day and for the rest of eternity, because this is who we truly are. It's never ending, and it's only when the mind tries to take us away into somewhere else that we start to experience stress, that we start to become restless. Thank you guys for watching. Bless you guys. Namaste. Be in peace. Amitabah. Continue sharing your love. Continue practicing being here. And like I said, whatever was going on before you watched this video, it will still be there. But now it's up to you if you want to put your attention there, or you want to stay home again, or you want to permanently walk from here. And you see now that you are in power. Your attention, your focus, it's you. You create your reality. You walk in this world blessing life. You are the blessing. Thank you guys. Peace be with you. Amitabah. Om.